Welcome to the Q&A session 10 from the playlist of properties of matter. The topic is the thermal stresses, and this session is based on the session number 9, in which we have studied about the thermal stresses and the thermal strain. So in this session, I have taken one question which was asked in the IIT-JEE examination in the year 2011. And the question here is, a metal rod of Young's modulus Y and coefficient of thermal expansion alpha is held at its two ends such that its length remains constant. So if the temperature rises delta T, then the linear stress induced in the body is equal to, so there are four options here and we have to find the correct one. So since here the rod is held at its two ends in such a way that its length remains constant, so in this case the thermal stresses will be induced in the body. So in the previous session we have learned that the thermal strain that is delta L upon L was equal to alpha into delta T. So the corresponding thermal stress will be equal to Y into the thermal strain. Now thermal strain is alpha into delta T. Thermal strain, as we have learned in the previous session, is equal to alpha into delta T. Now thermal stress upon thermal strain is equal to the Young's modulus of this material, or you can say this metal rod. So Y will be equal to thermal stress divided by thermal strain, or we can say that thermal stress will be equal to Y into thermal strain, and thermal strain is equal to alpha into delta T. So basically you can say that this question was basically asking you to write the formula for the thermal stress. So thermal stress is equal to Y into alpha into delta T, and here the correct option is C. So thank you very much for joining this session. In the next session I will be coming up with a different type of a question from the same topic, that is thermal stress. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.